Welcome back to a new video, and in this video I will explain you how much tax you have to pay in Norway in less than 5 minutes. People always ask me about this subject, and I would like to cover some different perspectives where you can check it up and how you can calculate your own taxes online. So stay tuned to follow up. Hello man, what's up? What's going on? Did you hear about the taxes in Norway? How much it is and how it works? I have to pay taxes. I just need my drink, I don't care. I have other people doing this sort of stuff. I don't need to work. I'm really shocked that you are saying this. It's really important, and it's a part of a society to pay taxes and you get some benefits out of it. And in Norway it's not so high anyway. Listen to this guy, it's crazy. Well, easy life, easy drink. What else do you forget need? This guy, he is doomed anyway, so stay tuned. I will show you how it works, and I hope it will help you. It's very easy in Norway how you calculate your taxes. So you just need to go on taxoffice.no or skatteetaten.no, and there you have a calculator what you can use online. So it's really easy going. I just open it here for you and show it to you now. So here you have your income, and where you write 600,000, and then you can scroll down where you can see how much tax you have to pay, and everything is getting calculated for you. So it's really easy. And if you have some loan or mortgage on your house, you can just write it here. This is actually not working. But anyway, if you have some costs from mortgage, like you pay 60,000 Norwegian krones, and this is getting taken away from your totally tax you have to pay. So if you have a mortgage or loan in Norway, you actually get to pay less taxes. And there are two systems in Norway how to pay taxes. We have a tabel, a chart, or you can choose for have a percentage, but I highly recommend to use the chart, as many people get paid hourly. So they have not a fixed income, and it's really important if you work a lot of overtime that you don't have to pay a lot of tax back the next year. So this chart is the best option to choose. So here you just write the year, how much you earn, and here you can choose the chart. I'm on 7108, and just say monthly payment, what I showed you in the previous video. If you are a cost man, it's about 46,000 monthly. And when you get to see here, you have to pay like 11, nearly 12,000 in tax, and you get 34,000 out. So as a craftsman with average income, you earn like 3,500 euros. And then you can also log in if you have an identification number, where you can see if you put in all data from your car mortgage, house mortgage, and the costs what you have to pay to the bank. Everything getting calculated in there, and then you get your tax table, tax chart out of it, and you see how many percentage you have to pay. In my case it's 34%. It seems to be the average in Norway. There are many YouTubers out there and say it's only 22%, but that's not true. It's completely wrong. This is kind of the lowest tax you have to pay in Norway. Mostly it's about, maybe I have to guess, 26 to 36%. Depends on your income and how much you earn. I hope this video was helpful for you, that I could provide some information in no more than 5 minutes. Time is money and time is freedom, so I don't want to keep you unnecessarily long around in my videos as necessary. So I hope you appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about it. If there's any more topics I can cover or help you with, I'm happy to help you. So please hit the like button down below, and you can subscribe here up in the corner, would be appreciated. Have a nice day, see you in the next one.